Hey guys, welcome back to the BMW Blog YouTube channel. Today we are live from Munich, the BMW Welt building. And among many other cars here today, we have the all-new G42 2 Series Coupe. You might have seen the car being unveiled in the last few weeks. It was also present at the Goodwood Festival of Speed. We did publish quite a few videos from there, but we wanted to do a follow-up on that and show you the car one more time. And with that being said, what we have here is the BMW M240i xDrive Coupe. This is the top of the line 2 Series, at least until the G87 M2 arrives. So let's start with the design. At the front, you can see, compared to the current generation reinterpretation of the kink grille, it's a little bit more elongated. See, there's a slightly larger than before. It also has the cerium gray around the outer edges. If you look at the bottom, you'll see a plastic front lip and some massive air curtains with a combination of cerium and black panels as well. You can see here there are a lot of sensors and cameras, one there, a couple in the front, of course right there, and the driving assistance radar as well. The headlights have also been reinterpreted, changed a little bit. They don't connect to the kink grille, they kind of just finish on the outer edge of it. They're quite slim actually in size. You can also see the inner graphics being different than before. It's got this nice swooping line. There is also a power dome hood, which is a first on a regular 2 Series. And of course my favorite is a Thundernight metallic color, which is also a first for BMW. Looks extremely good in real life. It is striking. It also changes its hue as you move around under different light conditions. So that's always very cool. I've seen the car at nighttime and it definitely looks significantly darker. Side view, your typical 2 Series Coupe proportions, short overhangs, long hood. You can tell this car was meant to be on a track, and you're going to have a lot of fun with it. Just walk around a little bit more. You can also see the M Sport wheels, specific to M Performance models. M Performance brakes with the blue calipers. This is the B58 engine, a 3-liter 6-cylinder. So it's a familiar engine, it's a tried engine, it's always a good one. So this is the B58 3-liter 6-cylinder engine. You've seen it in all the other M40i models. It makes 335 horsepower at 5,500 RPM, 369 pounds-feet of torque. Lots of torque, especially at low RPM, around 1,500. It's a rear-wheel drive with the, that's the base, but you can actually get the xDrive model as well. The engine is mated to a 8-speed automatic from ZF. And in the US, the car starts around $46,000. Let's move to the back. Continue with the design. You can see that the car is already quite wide. It's got some really nice hips on it. It gives me a lot of hope for the G87 M2. Got a nice stance, black town diffuser, those unique exhaust pipes. There is also a very solid trunk lip. And of course the M240i badge, so this is just the rear wheel drive version, not the X-Drive. There's also a very nice lip, not too aggressive, quite subtle. Of course the M2 will be a little bit more aggressive in design. So the M240i with the X-Drive. You can also see different taillights. We usually see the L-shape specific taillights. In this case, they were actually reversed, so they point down. It's more of a reversed L. It's actually quite different from the sketches. We've seen the design sketches, and the traditional L-shaped taillights were there, so we're not sure why the change. It doesn't look bad, especially when you're up close. It's really nicely sculpted. There is a hole here that gives a 3D look, especially at night. It's got a lot of shapes in it, so it's not flat at all. Trying to see if I can capture it so you can see there is an opening here. Then you also have the blacked out part with a nice LED on top. Because of the regulations, you're also getting this wheel arch cover right there. Not everyone's cup of tea. Again, the side view. You have these concave and panels right here connecting, creating a nice line. Overall, this is a spectacular car. It's absolutely one of their best design in the last few years. And from what we heard, we haven't had a chance to drive it yet, but we should be able to do that soon. It is an absolute beast on and off the track, and it's likely to be one of the last of its kind. With a production cycle of 7 years, it's unlikely that by 2027, 2028, we will see your typical 6-cylinder twin turbo engine in any BMW. As always, thanks for watching, guys. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. It helps us quite a bit. Leave a comment below and tell us what's your favorite color on the 2 Series, and also if you do like the new design, and hit that notification bell. And as always, we'll see you soon.